Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm showing you my July SCT sampler. The Happy Blooms collection from Pinkfresh Studio is what I used to create this. So this was all created with my sampler. This is a flat mail. You can see how thin this is. I've put it inside of this Project Life pocket, and I've created a fun little package for my pen pal. So I've got the letter in the back, which I'll take out here, and I'll just share with you all the things that I created. So the first thing that I created was the decorations on the envelope, and it was very simple. I've made this fun little tag there and slipped that in. That can come out. I've made all these beautiful handmade tags that she can use if she wanted to, like, create a little gift for someone. I love how I've put this vellum in behind this little stamp. So I fussy cut all of these stamps. There was a 6x6 paper that had all these stamps, and I fussy cut them. I used my die cuts and I made a little deer and heart, and I just layered those in together, and then I just tuck those into the front pocket here, and it creates a beautiful little welcoming sort of image. And then I created this fun little pocket, and I'm going to share with you how I did that. So to create this little shaker pocket, all I've done is taken a Project Life page, you fold it in half, and you can use one that has like the two pockets already made up here, or you can just do it like this. So I cut one of the 6x6 down to fit in as the background, and I sealed it at the back. And then I fold over the paper. I cut one half off right there, and then I create a little shaker pocket in the page like this, and then I just glue down those two edges, and I've got a little shaker pocket to make a little home for all of the embellishments that I've created. And I'll just walk you through each one of these. So there's a fun little heart, favorite days. This one's my favorite that I made right there. Absolutely love this little banner. I love the colors, the lemons, the pinks, and the yellow. It's my favorite combination. So you can see how fussy cutting out those stamps has given me a wonderful sort of focal point for many of these creations that I have made for her. I've just included one whole floral ephemera piece. This was a tag that came in already made. I just added a couple little ephemera pieces there. I love these little gems that came in the sampler. This is a cute one here. Be kind. Spend your days outdoors. A few more banners that I have made there. And then lastly, I've got this gorgeous little shaker pocket that tops it all off. So yeah, a fun little way to create flat mail. And I have created this entire thing simply from all of the supplies that came in one sampler. So you can see how it's really fun to be able to create and sample a number of different collections that you can gift unique items to pen pals without having to buy like an entire collection. And then if you fall in love with it and you want more, then you at least have discovered, you know, some supplies that you are really enjoying. And I've discovered that it's nice to have these little samplers as a way of discovering new products that I wouldn't normally necessarily gravitate to. Now, this is one of the collections that I would gravitate toward because it is the colors I really like working with. But I don't often have Pinkfresh Studio on my radar. And I mean, I'm often looking at Maggie Holmes and crepe paper, but really this was quite fun and attractive to create as well. So then I put my letter in behind there, and that acts as a really nice framing backdrop for the package. And then I think I'm just going to wrap this up with some wrapping paper and put her address on it, because it already has like the perfect little envelope, and that's perfectly flat. That will fit and ship as flat mail. So I'm a little behind with my samplers because the summer was very busy, but I'm still going to go ahead and put them all to great use and make sure that I have all sorts of fun creating with the samplers that I've already received. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.